Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Congratulations po and welcome to your new home. So, let me get the scissors. So, this is your unit, Barbados 420.
What's your tip here?
So, as you can see, we have the standard deliverables already. We have the cabinets, the range hood, the closet cabinet. And then, ito po yung sinasabi ko na
ICD.
ICD. So, pwede po kayo magpalong 5 units dito or cabinets. And then, we have the aircon provision already. So, this is with the maximum of 1.5 horsepower.
Okay. So, tanggalin lang yun siya.
Yes,
Tapos,
opo. Tapos ito naman po area na to, this is the air condition provision. And then, check ko lang po if naka-open na yung may water supply na po tayo sa naka-open. And then, for this part, ito po yung ating grease trap. Pang-filter po siya ng direct sa kitchen sink. So, ang cleaning or maintenance po ng grease trap, pre-open na po ito. Hindi na po ito magiging part of the 6 months period warranty. Even yung mga filters po namin